Experience the ultimate in luxury and performance with the 2026 Ferrari motorhome, a groundbreaking blend of automotive excellence and high-end living that redefines the concept of mobile luxury. In this video, we delve into a complete review of the 2026 Ferrari motorhome, covering every detail from its specifications and features to real-world performance and design innovations. Whether you're a motorsport enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone passionate about premium RV living, this review provides all the insights you need. The 2026 Ferrari motorhome is built with precision engineering and a strong focus on Italian design aesthetics. It boasts a sleek aerodynamic body that reflects Ferrari's iconic styling while incorporating materials like carbon fiber and lightweight aluminum to reduce weight and enhance fuel efficiency. Under the hood, it features a hybrid V8 engine, producing over 700 horsepower combined with an electric assist system, delivering seamless torque, improved mileage, and reduced emissions. The ride quality is exceptional thanks to adaptive suspension systems and electronically controlled dynamics designed to offer sports car-like handling with motorhome-level comfort. Inside, the cabin is a fusion of smart technology and opulent design. The motorhome includes a full smart home integration system that allows voice control of lighting, climate, entertainment, and security. The living area is designed with hand-stitched leather, sustainable wood accents, and customizable LED ambient lighting. The sleeping quarters are outfitted with memory foam bedding and climate-zoned comfort controls. A gourmet kitchen features high-end appliances including an induction cooktop, built-in espresso machine, and smart refrigeration system that can be synced with your mobile device. The bathroom is no less impressive, equipped with rainfall shower heads, heated floors, and water recycling technology for efficient travel. The 2026 model also includes a fully retractable rooftop terrace with solar panels, giving users the option to enjoy outdoor living and eco-friendly charging at the same time. Additional tech features include a 360-degree surveillance system, biometric access security, and an AR-enabled dashboard that provides heads-up navigation, weather, and vehicle diagnostics. Connectivity is at the forefront of the 2026 Ferrari motorhome experience with 5G integration, onboard satellite internet, and a digital concierge service available 24/7 for travel planning and emergency assistance. This motorhome is not only a statement of luxury, but also a beacon of future-ready travel technology. With its combination of high-speed performance, unmatched style, and next-level features, the 2026 Ferrari motorhome sets a new benchmark in the high-end RV market. If you found this review informative and want to see more content like this, including detailed reviews, real-time tests, and exclusive looks at future automotive technologies, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We cover everything from the latest supercars to luxury RVs and smart mobility trends. This is your destination for premium vehicle insights and travel innovations. Welcome to the channel where passion meets precision. Subscribe now and stay ahead of the future of luxury travel. Welcome to the most detailed and comprehensive review of the 2026 BMW motorhome, a revolutionary leap into the world of luxury mobility and automotive engineering. In this video, we explore everything you need to know about BMW's latest innovation in the premium motorhome segment, including specifications, features, design, and performance. This in-depth review gives you a complete understanding of what makes the 2026 BMW motorhome a standout in both form and function. The 2026 BMW motorhome embodies the perfect fusion of German engineering, high-performance technology, and modern luxury living. Built on a bespoke chassis developed specifically for long-range touring, the motorhome integrates an advanced plug-in hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbo inline-six engine with an electric drive unit. This system delivers a combined output of around 600 horsepower, ensuring smooth and powerful performance on highways and challenging terrains alike. The electric-only range of approximately 150 kilometers makes it ideal for short city explorations without emissions, while the petrol engine offers extended range capability with outstanding fuel efficiency for a vehicle of its size. Exterior. Design features BMW's signature kidney grille adapted for a larger format. adaptive LED matrix lighting, and a sculpted aerodynamic body with carbon fiber reinforced elements that enhance both looks and performance. Integrated solar panels on the roof contribute additional energy for auxiliary systems, making it more eco-friendly and self-sustaining during long journeys. The sidewalls extend electronically, offering expanded living space when parked, and active air suspension provides a smooth ride while adjusting automatically to road conditions. The interior of the 2026 BMW motorhome is a showcase of luxury and intelligent design. The cabin uses premium materials like merino leather, real brushed aluminum, and sustainable hardwood finishes sourced from eco-certified forests. The smart layout includes a spacious lounge with swiveling captain's chairs, a high-definition OLED entertainment system, and a full-length panoramic sunroof that floods the space with natural light. Voice-activated controls and a digital command center allow for seamless management of lighting, temperature, and multimedia. The kitchen is equipped with a convection oven, induction cooktop, and a smart fridge that automatically manages inventory and suggests meal plans. A separate dining area converts into a secondary sleeping space. The master bedroom includes a king-size bed with customizable firmness settings, ambient sound masking, and a privacy smart glass divider. The spa-style bathroom includes a rainfall shower, automatic water temperature control, and antimicrobial surfaces for hygiene and comfort. Safety and connectivity are integral to this model with features like Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, 360-degree cameras with real-time traffic updates, biometric security entry, and a BMW connected drive integration that offers real-time remote monitoring and vehicle updates. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated with the latest in luxury vehicles, high-tech motorhomes, and futuristic travel innovations, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We bring you expert reviews, real-world testing, and exclusive first looks at next-generation vehicles. This channel is your ultimate destination for everything related to high-end automotive design and mobile living. Subscribe now and be part of the future of intelligent luxury travel. Welcome to an exclusive and detailed review of the 2026 Bugatti motorhome, a remarkable fusion of hypercar performance and elite mobile living. In this video, we take you through a full walkthrough of the specs, features, performance, design, and technology of what is arguably the most luxurious and high-performance motorhome ever built. If you are a fan of engineering brilliance, futuristic innovation, and ultra-premium travel experiences, this is the motorhome that redefines every expectation. The 2026 Bugatti motorhome is built on a custom monocoque chassis, crafted with aerospace-grade, carbon fiber and titanium alloys. Its heart lies in a quad-turbocharged W16 hybrid engine, delivering an astonishing 1,200 horsepower, combined with electric motors that allow smooth, silent cruising for up to 200 kilometers on pure electric mode. The performance is unlike anything in its class, accelerating from 0 to 100 km/h in under 5 seconds despite its size, with top-tier handling dynamics thanks to active suspension and torque vectoring systems derived from Bugatti's track heritage. From the exterior, the motorhome features a bold and aerodynamic silhouette that pays homage to Bugatti's legacy, while introducing fluid contours and active aerodynamics for drag reduction. Signature LED lighting runs across the front and rear, and the rear diffuser and retractable spoiler provide functional downforce. Smart glass windows adapt to lighting conditions and offer privacy control at the touch of a button. The side extensions are motorized, expanding the living area when parked and creating a lavish suite experience on wheels. Inside, the Bugatti motorhome is nothing short of breathtaking. The cabin is a showcase of bespoke craftsmanship, blending hand-stitched Italian, leather, carbon fiber panels, and ambient lighting with digital sophistication. The cockpit features a heads-up augmented reality display and haptic feedback steering integrated into a minimalist dashboard. The infotainment system is powered by a custom OS developed in partnership with top-tier luxury tech firms, offering voice control, gesture navigation, and AI-driven personal assistance. The living space includes a full gourmet kitchen with a touchscreen-controlled induction range, self-cleaning oven, and AI refrigerator that manages stock and suggests recipes. based on ingredients. The lounge area offers reclining massage chairs, a fold-out cinema-quality OLED screen, and a 3D spatial sound system. The bedroom includes a king-size bed with zero-gravity positioning, climate control zones, and adaptive lighting for circadian rhythm optimization. The bathroom is designed like a private spa, with a steam shower, heated stone floors, smart mirror, and eco-efficient water recycling system. The 2026 Bugatti motorhome also features biometric security, facial recognition, entry and level 4 autonomous driving for true hands-free luxury touring. Connectivity is seamless with global 6G satellite internet, real-time diagnostics, and remote control via the Bugatti mobile app. Solar panels and regenerative braking enhance its off-grid capabilities, giving it both sustainability and independence. If this deep dive into the 2026 Bugatti motorhome inspired you or sparked your interest in future mobility and luxury engineering, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We deliver in-depth reviews, expert insights, and exclusive previews of the world's most advanced vehicles. This is the place for those passionate about design, speed, innovation, and lifestyle on the move. Subscribe now and join our journey into the future of luxury travel. Welcome to the complete review of the 2026 Mercedes motorhome, a stunning combination of German luxury, intelligent design, and advanced mobility engineering. In this video, we take you on a detailed tour of this futuristic motorhome, covering every important aspect including specifications, standout features, performance, comfort, and innovative technology. The 2026 Mercedes motorhome is more than a vehicle. It is a luxurious mobile lifestyle experience built for those who demand the finest in road travel. The 2026 Mercedes motorhome is engineered on a custom modular platform designed specifically for electric and hybrid drivetrains. It features a plug-in hybrid system that combines a powerful turbocharged inline-6 engine with a dual-motor electric setup, delivering a combined output of nearly 700 horsepower. The all-electric range of approximately 180 kilometers is perfect for city exploration, while the combustion engine ensures long-distance capability with efficiency and reduced emissions. The drivetrain is paired with Mercedes' intelligent all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension, offering unmatched comfort and dynamic road performance. From the outside, the design reflects the elegance and precision of Mercedes-Benz styling. It has a sleek aerodynamic profile with a seamless body structure, featuring integrated LED light strips, flush-mounted smart glass windows, and a panoramic sunroof that extends the full length of the living space. The roof includes solar panels for added energy efficiency and sustainability, supporting internal systems and reducing dependency on external power sources. The sidewalls are expandable at the push of a button, turning the vehicle into a mobile luxury suite once parked. Inside, the interior is designed with premium materials and a focus on both luxury and functionality. High-grade leather seating, real wood inlays, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting come together to create a calming and upscale atmosphere. The layout includes a spacious living area with lounge seating, a large OLED smart display, a retractable dining table, and a full kitchen featuring an induction cooktop, convection oven, and a dual-zone wine cooler. Voice and gesture controls are standard throughout the cabin, powered by the Mercedes MBUX smart system for seamless control over every feature. The bedroom includes a memory foam king-size bed, adaptive climate control, and noise insulation that ensures restful sleep regardless of location. The bathroom is spa-inspired with a rainfall shower, backlit vanity mirror, touch-free fixtures, and eco-efficient water systems. Storage solutions are intelligently integrated and every space is optimized for long-term travel and comfort. Connectivity is powered by integrated 5G and satellite communications, offering high-speed internet access and smart home synchronization. Safety is paramount, with features like Level 3 autonomous driving, lane assist, emergency braking, 360-degree monitoring, and biometric access security. If you enjoyed this full review and want to stay updated with the latest in luxury vehicles, advanced motorhomes, and smart travel innovations, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We bring you in-depth insights, exclusive previews, and expert reviews on the newest developments in automotive luxury. This channel is your hub for future, mobility and high-end travel lifestyle. Subscribe now and explore the road ahead with us. Welcome to this in-depth review of the 2026 Nissan Motorhome, an innovative and practical approach to future travel that combines intelligent design, reliable engineering, and cutting-edge technology. In this video, we provide a comprehensive breakdown of the latest Nissan Motorhome, focusing on its full specifications, standout features, comfort elements, sustainability, and performance. Whether you're planning long-term travel or exploring the idea of mobile living, the 2026 Nissan Motorhome presents a smart, functional, and stylish solution for the modern traveler. The 2026 Nissan Motorhome is built on a reinforced EV platform optimized for strength, balance, and interior space. It is powered by a dual-motor all-electric drivetrain with a total output of 480 horsepower and a range of up to 450 kilometers on a single charge. It also features fast charging capability, allowing up to 80% battery recharge in just under 40 minutes. Nissan's e-4-Horse all-wheel drive system ensures a smooth, stable, and confident ride in all weather conditions and road types, whether you are navigating city streets or exploring off-grid terrains. On the exterior, the design is sleek and aerodynamic, incorporating bold lines and intelligent functionality. The body features lightweight aluminum alloy panels and integrated solar panels that help power internal systems and reduce battery usage. The motorhome includes automatic retractable awnings, side slide-outs to expand interior living space, and flush-mounted smart windows that offer privacy, UV protection, and auto-dimming features. Signature Nissan LED lights and a full panoramic windshield contribute to the vehicle's futuristic and purposeful look. Step inside and the 2026 Nissan Motorhome reveals a cabin built for comfort, functionality, and smart connectivity. The living area is spacious and versatile, with rotating front seats, a modular lounge sofa, and a multifunctional table ideal for dining or remote work. The entire space is wrapped in eco-friendly materials, including recycled synthetic leathers, bamboo flooring, and low-emission upholstery. A large touchscreen control panel integrated with Nissan's intelligent mobility system offers centralized control for lighting, temperature, entertainment, and navigation. The kitchen is compact yet fully equipped with an induction cooktop, energy-efficient refrigerator, convection oven, and a filtered water system. Storage is optimized with smart cabinetry and hidden compartments. The sleeping area transforms from a lounge to a double bed setup with memory foam cushions and ambient lighting. The bathroom features a full wet bath with a water-saving shower system, composting toilet, and antibacterial finishes for hygiene and ease of cleaning. The 2026 model also includes smart safety systems like collision avoidance, lane departure, warning, adaptive cruise control, and a full suite of sensors for 360-degree monitoring. Remote diagnostics, over-the-air updates, and Nissan Connect integration keep the motorhome running smoothly and connected to your devices wherever you go. If this detailed look at the 2026 Nissan Motorhome helped you understand the future of smart and sustainable travel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We bring you expert reviews, tech insights, and full coverage of the latest in electric vehicles, luxury motorhomes, and advanced mobile living. This channel is your destination for everything about the next generation of road travel. Subscribe now and join us on the journey forward.